Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set up TikTok shop. So basically, in order for you to set up a TikTok shop, you must have at least 1,000 followers here. And of course, you need to provide some documents and information in order for you to set up a TikTok shop. This is not just for everyone. You need to comply these requirements in order for you to proceed. Once you have your 1,000 followers and you have provided all of the requirements, such as files and documents needed, then you can now set up your TikTok shop. So first, you just have to open your TikTok, tap the three lines, and then click this settings and privacy. Under creator tools, you have to go to monetization and you have to swipe and look for TikTok shop for creator. If you can see it right away, you have to click this view all to see this TikTok shop for creator. So you will be notified with this and you need to read this in order for you to know more about the features and what are the things you should do for you to set up or for you to have this TikTok shop. You will see here to participate accounts must be in a good standing, follow our community guidelines, and meet and maintain eligibility criteria, which include receive marketing messages, and agree with their terms and TikTok shop privacy policy. So after that, tap apply. And you should see this. Congratulations, you can now sell and earn. So you can read the following here. This one is like a welcome message to everyone. So now click start earning. And then you should see this get rewards and earning opportunities. You can add your email. After you have added your email, then you can now scroll down and then start looking for that specific product that you want to promote or you want to sell. So you just have to scroll down, and once you found a product, and then you can now click create a video. You can now start or you can now choose what's best for your video. It could be camera or CapCut tools. If you know how to create or if you know how to use CapCut, then I highly suggest CapCut for this one for promoting your products. So you can see here, create with camera. You can choose products you want to promote. Everything is up to you. And I strongly suggest, if possible, you have at least a big or a little bit idea about this product in order for you to easily promote it. Upload or create videos and review posts. So you can now add from marketplace, shopping cart, or purchase products. Actually, everything is up to you. But for this tutorial, I'm going to choose product marketplace and then look for the specific product that I want to promote or sell. So feel free to scroll down or tap this search icon and then search that specific product. And then after that, tap add. Now you can create or make your product name here. Make it more captivating or enticing. After that, you can now add more details to that product before you post. So you can add your location here, add link, go to more options, or share this to your other social media account. And then after that, tap post. Now, if you go back to your account and if someone tap your video, you will see this below. And once they tap this one, then they can just simply click this add to cart or buy with coupons. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.